Welcome back. We are looking at trade day Wednesday, 4:15. Now, yesterday we ended in all of this consolidation with this little pin high. So I think I'm looking for shorts today, but that pin high didn't pop out. So I'm expecting it might go high one more time before going short. So yesterday this ended on a high as it dropped down into the channel. I'm just going to widen this channel here because it did kind of play around with the 50 in this whole area. So I just want to mark off this whole channel. All right, as it comes back into the channel, retests it, and it rejects it. So I'm still looking for a pop out high. That is a little one. You could have taken this one short. I think that's a trap. And yep, there we go. And look, now we get our legitimate move high. There we go. That's what I want. There's the trap above yesterday's high. So the trap above previous day's high is exactly what we're waiting for. All right, so let's call this our pop out right there. All right, so here we have the trap above yesterday's high, okay? And then I want to mark off in this session where price went around the 50, because that's going to be my support and resistance channel for this session right there. All right, here we are in the prime window, and I am looking for some version of an M green red cross. Right there I go. Okay, so right there, I know whenever I pause it prints another 2 candles, but right there's your green red cross. Now we are still above the channel. You could have waited until it broke the channel, but the short entry would have been at this green red cross on that candle. Okay, so let's put in our profit level as 30 pips, stop loss level at 15 pips. Okay, that is our entry for the day. We know we are looking for shorts again because we have this trap above previous day high. All right, now we still have all of this to get through. Okay, we got to get through these channels, so it might bounce around, but we have our traps high. So I am confirmed. I can go ahead and set this and go to bed. And if I lose, that's okay. Losing is built into the numbers. If you would have stayed up and watched it, this is what you would have seen. So it comes back up into that channel, rejects it, perfect. If you weren't confirmed before, you should be now. The whole time price stays below the 50. So you can just let this thing walk down. And you should be in profit right about now. And there you go. Finally, you took profit. That one, that's a trap high fade. Trap high fade. There you go. Take a snapshot. This is your most perfect entry for Wednesday, 4:15. Happy trading. See you tomorrow.